So people have been wondering how scratch resistant is the new NeoFLEX. Here's a micro cement for the MarbleWRAP line that we have out right now. Has some pretty nice texture, variation, sheen, gloss, all that stuff. But this piece and that piece have both been sealed with NeoFLEX and with the AO. And I had asked Brandon, I said, hey, remember when you had wrap thing out and people were doing the scratch test on it, and it was with the penny, and it was scuffing up the penny and not the surface itself? And I asked him what happened with that. And he says, well, NeoFLEX does that. And I'm like, get out of here, man. So, of course, curious minds. So here it is, plain penny right there. You know, we're gonna do the scratch test. Scratch it up. You see some lines there, right? Still the same penny right here. Dulling out the penny as we speak, right? Look at that. That's completely dulled out. That's actually buffing it up and wearing it down. We'll have some scratches on there, but you just take your hand or a rag and it buffs right out. Like, not even there. Oh man, y'all don't even know. Man, those are my 2 cents with 1 penny though. I'm gonna make this quick. I just thought about the penny thing as I was walking in the garage and I saw my sample, and then we got people saying that the penny's too soft. Why don't I try something harder? I don't have much around in this garage here unless I'm at my shop, but I do have this right here. Someone suggested a bolt, so I'm gonna try to take this bottom part here. Yeah, this part right here, and that's the part I'm gonna try to scratch the sample with. Like, again, I'm gonna try it somewhere in this area. It's starting to rain, but anyways, we got the part there. I'm gonna scratch it, and I'll tell you right now, it's not going to wear down the bolt for sure, but we don't know how it's going to hold up against the bolt. So people wondering if the bolt's going to wear down, it's actually wearing it down. You see that spot right there on the point? It flattened it out. It wore it down. So I stand corrected on that. Thank you very much. And the scratches here, if I look for them, you'll see them like right going across like that. Right there, if I can catch it in the right light, you can see it. But then again, if I wipe it just with my hand, they are completely gone. Completely gone with that one there. All right, back to my fourth. Got to get back to my family.